Exclusive comfort meets family fun in the 2015 Pinnacle. For the new model year, we're taking our most luxurious fifth wheel to a whole new level, adding more top-of-the-line features in the Culinary Dream Kitchen and the Tranquility Bedroom Suite. Pinnacle's kitchen is every chef's dream thanks to our latest upgrades, like hardwood cherry cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and a residential refrigerator with a 1,000-watt inverter. For a slice of home on every getaway, we introduced new residential furniture and stunning wood grain flooring, while Pinnacle's new hardwood mirrored ceiling mantel adds to the ambiance. In the Master Suite, freshen up thanks to 36-inch wide showers and solid surface counters. Also for 2015, we introduced Pinnacle's new wide-body design, adding 2 new floor plans to the mix. Families will be comfortably entertained in the 36F BTS thanks to its standard reclining sofa, optional theater seat, and a 50-inch TV with lift. A half bathroom adds to the residential feel, while a spacious shower and dual sinks complete the Master Suite bathroom. The all-new 31 RETS features a ledge stone fireplace option, along with a standard reclining sofa and the optional theater seat. With so many new upgrades, it's no wonder Pinnacle is still revolutionizing the fifth wheel market.